Welcome to the creator economy. You've poured your heart into your YouTube channel. You're creating awesome content. Now, let's talk about making money doing what you love. Welcome to the world of YouTube monetization. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable business around your passion. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, there are tons of ways to turn your videos into profits. We'll break down the most popular strategies, from ad revenue to selling merchandise. Get ready to learn the ins and outs of each method, the pros and cons, and how to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. The most well-known way to monetize is through the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. It's how many creators earn their first dollar and then some. Here's how it works. First, get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is the first milestone. Focus on creating high-quality content that keeps viewers engaged. Next, apply to the YPP. Once you hit the requirements, you can apply. YouTube will review your channel to ensure it meets their guidelines. After you're approved, enable monetization. You can turn on monetization for your videos. Finally, earn ad revenue. Ads will now play on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated. The benefits? Passive income. Once your video is up, it can continue earning for you. Plus, you have a large audience reach, tapping into YouTube's massive user base. But there are challenges. Ad revenue fluctuations can be a thing. Earnings can vary based on factors like ad demand and viewer demographics. And of course, the YouTube landscape is competitive. Standing out is key. Relying solely on ad revenue can be risky. That's where diversifying your income streams comes in. Think of it like having multiple safety nets for your channel's financial health. Why is diversification important? Well, protection from algorithm changes. YouTube's algorithm is constantly evolving. Diversification helps you weather those changes. Also, multiple revenue streams. More ways to earn means more financial stability for you and stronger connection with your audience. Different monetization methods offer unique ways to engage your viewers. Let's explore some of the best ways to diversify your YouTube income beyond ads. Got a loyal following? Selling merchandise is a fantastic way to monetize and strengthen your brand. What to sell? Apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, and hats? The classics are always a hit. Accessories such as phone cases, stickers, and tote bags? Think practical and stylish. And unique items. Get creative. Offer something special that reflects your channel's niche. Platforms, print-on-demand services like Printful and Printify handle production and shipping, so you don't have to hold inventory. Or your own online store. For more control, set up your own shop using platforms like Shopify. The benefits? Higher profit margins. Compared to ad revenue, you keep a larger portion of the sale price. And brand building. Merch turns your fans into walking billboards for your channel. Challenges? Inventory management. If you're not using print on demand, you'll need to handle stock. And marketing and promotion. Getting the word out about your merch is crucial. Section 5. Superfans, super support memberships that matter. Membership programs let your most dedicated fans support you directly in exchange for exclusive perks. YouTube memberships offer tiers. Create different membership levels with varying benefits. Exclusive content. Give members early access to videos, behind-the-scenes footage, or members-only live streams. Badges and emojis. Reward members with special badges that display next to their names in comments and live chats. Benefits recurring revenue. Predictable income helps you plan for the future. Community building. Foster a stronger sense of community among your most engaged viewers. Challenges requires active management. You'll need to consistently create and deliver on membership perks. Section 6. Patreon, your direct support hub. Patreon is a popular platform specifically designed for creators to earn recurring income from their biggest fans. How it works. Create a Patreon page. Set up your page and outline the different membership tiers you'll offer. Offer exclusive rewards. Similar to YouTube memberships, provide patrons with unique benefits like early access, bonus content, and more. Promote your Patreon. Let your YouTube audience know about your Patreon and the value they'll get by becoming patrons. Benefits: direct fan support. Patreon cuts out the middleman, allowing fans to support you directly. Creative freedom. Experiment with different content formats and rewards to find what resonates most with your audience. Challenges: platform fees. Patreon takes a percentage of your earnings. Driving traffic to Patreon. You'll need to effectively direct your YouTube audience to your Patreon page. Section 7. Sponsored content, brand deals, and how to get them. Partnering with brands can be lucrative, but it's essential to do it ethically and transparently. Types of sponsored content: dedicated videos. Create a whole video featuring a brand or product. Product mentions. Give a shout out to a brand within your regular content. Affiliate links. Include special links in your video descriptions that earn you a commission on sales. How to get sponsorships. Build a strong channel. Brands look for creators with engaged audiences and quality content. Join influencer networks. Networks like FameBit connect creators with brands. Reach out directly. Don't be afraid to pitch brands you love. Benefits. High earning potential. Sponsored videos can be a significant source of income. Exposure to new audiences. Brand collaborations can introduce your channel to a wider audience. Challenges. Maintaining authenticity. Be selective with sponsorships to ensure they align with your brand and values. Disclosure requirements. Be upfront and honest with your audience about sponsored content. Section 8. Affiliate marketing, earning while you recommend. Affiliate marketing is a win-win. You recommend products you love, and you earn a commission when your viewers make a purchase through your unique link. How to get started: join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a popular choice, but many companies offer affiliate programs. Find relevant products. Recommend products that genuinely fit your niche and audience. Disclose affiliate links. Be transparent with your viewers that the links you're sharing are affiliate links. Benefits: passive income. Earn commissions even after you've published your video. Low barrier to entry. Affiliate marketing is relatively easy to get started with. Challenges: commission rates vary. Commissions can be small, so you'll need a decent amount of traffic to earn substantial income. Building trust. Only recommend products you believe in to maintain audience trust. Section 9. Beyond YouTube. Expanding your reach. Don't limit yourself to YouTube alone. Branching out can help you reach new audiences and diversify your income further. Other platforms to explore. Twitch. Ideal for live streaming, especially gaming content. Instagram. Great for sharing behind-the-scenes content and connecting with brands. TikTok. Perfect for short-form, attention-grabbing videos. Benefits: audience growth. Tap into new communities and expand your reach. Cross-promotion. Direct traffic from other platforms back to your YouTube channel. Challenges: time management. Creating content for multiple platforms takes time and effort. Platform-specific strategies. Each platform has its own best practices and audience expectations. Section 10. Optimization is key tips for maximizing earnings. No matter which monetization strategies you choose, optimization is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Top tips: know your audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and viewing habits to tailor your content and monetization efforts. Create high-quality content. Engaging, well-produced videos are more likely to attract viewers and keep them watching. Promote your videos. Don't rely on YouTube's algorithm alone. Share your videos on social media and engage with your audience. Track your analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates to see what's working and what's not. Experiment and adapt. The YouTube landscape is constantly changing. Be willing to try new things and adjust your strategies as needed. Section 11. Ready, set, monetize. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to turning your YouTube videos into profits. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different monetization methods, find what works best for you and your audience, and don't be afraid to adapt as you grow. Most importantly, have fun and keep creating awesome content. Your passion is what will ultimately drive your success. Now go out there and start monetizing.